Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Pipedrive to manage LinkedIn outreach pipeline. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Pipedrive to manage your LinkedIn outreach pipeline, begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings menu, look for the Integrations tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Integrations tab to see the available integration options. Scroll down to find the LinkedIn integration option. Click on the LinkedIn integration to access the setup process. You will see an Authorize button next to the LinkedIn integration option. Click on the Authorize button to initiate the connection process. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. After signing in, LinkedIn will ask for permission to allow Pipedrive to access your account. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. Once authorized, return to your Pipedrive account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that LinkedIn is now connected. Next, navigate to the Pipeline section of your Pipedrive dashboard. In the Pipeline view, you will now have options to manage your LinkedIn outreach activities. Set up your outreach stages by clicking on the Add Stage option within your LinkedIn pipeline. Name each stage according to your outreach strategy for better organization. To start using the integration, create new outreach deals directly from LinkedIn profiles. You can additionally track interactions and follow-ups within the Pipedrive system. Make sure to regularly monitor the performance of your LinkedIn outreach from the Pipedrive dashboard. This setup will streamline your outreach efforts and improve your overall efficiency. With everything set up, you are now ready to enhance your LinkedIn outreach through Pipedrive seamlessly. Congratulations on completing the authorization process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.